Khan Academy is a popular channel on YouTube. It offers free video tutorials on math, science, economics, art history, and many other subjects. And it is a great way for anyone interested in certain subjects to pursue self-learning. The electronic blackboard talks in Khan Academy videos are the most noticeable feature to some extent. It even defines the style of Khan Academy video. So in today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to make a Khan Academy style video. Okay, let's start the video. To make a Khan Academy style video, first, we need to prepare a few things. A device that supports the stylus pen, such as a digital table or iPad. These devices are compatible with the stylus pen, which can help create a natural handwritten feel. In this video, we'll use OneNote on Surface as a demonstration. In addition, we need a screen recorder. Here, I use VideoProc Converter. After getting these programs prepared, we can start making an educational video. We have different ways to deliver the course based on the content and the topic. For example, when teaching something pretty complex or professional, we can write down the key information in the available space. By doing this, we can not just emphasize the key points, but also make the course easier to be observed by our audience. Surely, we can use different colored pens to distinguish information, just like this. As for most painting courses, writing on screen can help the audience quickly master what they learn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
The thermal energy for indirect.
We just need to take a pause. Then knock on the table or other stuff to make some sharp sound. Then we undo the steps and continue the recording. Later, we are going to teach you how to cut off these unwanted clips in post-production. When we finish recording the course, we can edit the footage we captured. First, let's add the footage to Media Library. Drag it onto VideoProc to make rough cut. Let's begin by using the crop tool to crop the entire video for chopping off the redundant sections. After that, we need to remove the mistakes from the recording. Suppose we made a sharp noise when making mistakes. Then we can easily tell when the mistakes happen from the waveforms. In this case, we can easily use split or Ctrl and B to get rid of the mistakes. After the rough cut, we can add some effects to make the video look better. For example, here we can use zoom in effect to emphasize the information we mentioned. Let's click on Motion to enter Motion Editor. After that, we add the zoom in effect. Adjust the position and the size of the keyframe. Then we add a zoom out effect to the latter and go back to the full screen. This can help direct the attention of the audience to the specific point. Apart from that, we can add some animation effects to make the educational video more interesting. For example, here I add a green screen clip, drag it onto overlay track. Find the chroma key button on the upper right to remove the green colors. Adjust the size and the position. If necessary, we can add some transitions between different clips to make the video more visually interesting. Simply click on Transitions and then drag the desired transition in between two clips. Alright, now you've mastered how to make a Khan Academy style video. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye.